Okay, in this week's second session, what we're doing is we're doing a bit more of this factorising. Remember, we want to look at the two number terms. A little bit trickier this time, and then look, 6 doesn't go into 9, does it? So we're not going to write it as 6 times. The biggest number that goes into 6 and 9 is 3, isn't it? Yes, that's the biggest number that goes both into 6 and into 9. So we're going to put a 3 on the outside of our bracket. Now this first bit was 6x, isn't it? Now remember, 6 is 3 times 2, so I think of that as 3 times 2x. And 9 is 3 times 3, isn't it? Yeah? So we have taken care of the 3 by putting it on the outside of the bracket. Yeah? So that's gone, that's there. Okay? So what we're left with is the 2x plus 3. So that's what I'm going to have to put on the inside of the bracket. Okay, so our actual answer there, without any of the scribblings around it, is that 3 times 2x plus 3. And if you remember from multiplying out brackets, we can always check it. 3 times 2 is 6, so that's 6x, plus 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, but we're looking for the biggest number that will go into both 6 and 9. Have a look at this next one. Again, look, you got 15 and 10. You know the biggest number that goes into both of those is 5, isn't it? So 5 will go on the outside of the bracket. But look, 15n is 5 times 3n, isn't it? Because 15 is 5 times 3. Minus 10 is 5 times 2, isn't it? Yeah? So I'll write it down here if you like. You've got 5 times 3n minus 5 times 2. Well, look, we've taken care of the 5, haven't we, by putting it on the outside so we can forget about the 5. What are we left with? Well, if you look at it, we are left with 3n there and minus 2 there. So that is what goes on the inside of the bracket. So let's have a little look. That's, if we write it without any of these bits around it, so it's, you've got 5 times 3n minus 2. That would be your final answer. Okay, have a go at these today. We'll take factorising a little bit further in tomorrow's last session, and I hope you manage these and have a good day. Remember, you can always ask questions when you're in school in class, or post questions on Teams when you're not, and I will get back to you. Have a good day.